want to read out a statement after our NEC meeting this morning. Today, the Jubilee Party convened a NEC meeting at our headquarters here. The NEC meeting was chaired by our party leader, His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, where we were able to deal with key issues of leadership, structure, and also the strategy that strategic direction that we would want to take as a party. And even before we do the statement, I think it is good to note on the onset the NEC, on behalf of the entire Jubilee fraternity across the country, extends its deepest condolences to Mama Ida, Rosemary Jr., Winnie, the entire Odinga family, the entire ODM fraternity, and Kenyans from all walks of life following the untimely passing on of Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. The party stands in solidarity with the family and the entire nation during this difficult moment of loss. In our meeting, after our meeting, we had the following resolution. Important, I'm told the Dean User, we also endorsed him as our presidential candidate of Jubilee going forward. So he doesn't go there to look for any other endorsement. He is our presidential candidate to Jubilee officially as NEC. Another steps to follow. Asante sana. Thank you so much. And these are resolutions after quite some lengthy deliberations, but resolutions that were arrived at unanimously. And you also note that this is our first NEC meeting since we had our NDC some few weeks ago. The first item on our agenda was to fill in some of the vacant NEC positions that have been occasioned by many reasons that we do not need to go through. And we needed to have a whip within the National Assembly, and the whip of our National Assembly now, following the resolution by NEC, is Honorable Samuel Arama. Our whip for the Senate, again following the resolution, is Senator James Romenin. We also have Bwana Kagwe acting as our ED as we continue working on other issues around the same place. So Kagwe is our ED going forward. We, as NEC, also have appointed Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i as our deputy party leader going forward. And alongside that, we have also resolved that Dr. Matiang'i represents us at the United Opposition. And on top of that, we also received formally his application to be the presidential candidate or Jubilee presidential candidate, and the NEC approved, resolved that he now carries the flag of Jubilee Party as our presidential candidate. And even as he goes to the United Opposition, he goes there in that capacity, and also representing our party leader, or deputizing our party leader, and actually being the face of our party going forward, given that our party leader is not always available. I think the other important thing that we need to mention here is that we have also resolved that we will be communicating officially to the conveners of the United Opposition of that decision that was arrived at by NAC, and we are committed to the United Opposition, the desire to produce a united candidate, and he will be now sitting to help us with those kind of negotiations. Ya mwisho ni kwamba tumekubaliana pia kama NEC that we now move out and revamp our party. Open branches, market and sell Matiang'i as our presidential candidate, just like the other parties are doing their own, so that when they finally come to sit together, he'll also have done his groundwork. More activities as we move forward will be communicated, but we commence our activities immediately. Na sitaki niongezee kuliko hayo, kwa sababu hayo ndio mambo ambayo tumeyakubaliana sisi wote kama NEC. Tunawashukuru sana, asante sana, and God bless you. Thank you so much. We can't quit Azimio coalition, but we are also aware of the reality is that other formations are going on, but we cannot quit Azimio. Quitting Azimio means the members of parliament who are holding various positions within parliament relinquish. So there is a legal implication, and that's why we cannot be in a hurry kupiga kona na kukata mkato hapa na pale. Yes. Na sijui kwa nini wewe uko na haraka ya kutoa sisi kwa Azimio. One is that there is a lot of saying that you are leaving, but I'm trying to explain to you the legal implication of writing a letter and saying you have left Azimio. It's deeper than that, and the reality ni vizuri kusemezana ukweli wa mambo. We have our deputy party leader here, deputy speaker of the National Assembly, courtesy of Azimio. So when you now say tumetoka, what does that mean? It may not have any other value other than for those people who are. Yeah, it's a decision. But the thing is that that's where we are as a party, and we are not going to. Party leader mwenyewe alisema hajui kupiga kona na kuchukua mikato. Yani mtu ya hiyo maneno. Asanteni sana, and God bless you. Thank you so much. You really answer.
Hapa. For Mr. President.
Unavifunika. Na ni mimi.
Na hiyo inatosha.